Are you looking to make passive income with claw machines? Watch until the end of this video and you'll be good to go. First off, you need a solid location. It's extremely important that you find a location before you go and buy a machine because you do not want to be stuck with a big machine sitting in your garage or basement for the next 3 months. The best places to put claw machines are bowling alleys, restaurants, and hotels, and pretty much any place that has a lot of traffic and a lot of kids. Once you have a solid location, now it's time to find the machine. It's very important that you find a machine that you can control the win rate. I would find a machine that's 25 years old or newer, and I would pay no more than $1,500 for it. After buying a machine, go to anaglobal.com and get a 100 pack of the generic plushies. That'll run you about $150. And also get $150 worth of on-brand plushies. These will run you about $3 to $7 per plushie because they're on brand, like your SpongeBob's and cartoons. I 100% suggest buying $300 or more worth of plushies every time you order because it is a $40 shipping fee from ANA, and the more you buy it once, the better deal you'll get over time. Once you buy a machine, I suggest keeping it in your basement or garage for about a week so you can mess with it and figure out all the settings to set it up so you know what to fix when it's on location. In the settings, set the win rate to 1 in 8. This makes it so 1 in every 8 tries, the claw gets enough strength to grab something. And this isn't guaranteed, so sometimes it'll be 1 in 16 every time someone wins because on that 8th time, it just gives it enough strength. It's not a guaranteed win. And that's what's cool about these claw machines is because it's not a vend, it's a claw and you'll make a ton of money. After you have it set up, bring it to the location and optimize it. By optimize it, I mean buy things for this claw machine to put in it that fits the age range. Typically, all these plushies will get you all the way up to about 10 years old. And after that, you want to put maybe Fortnite or gift cards in it, like, V-Bucks cards and stuff. And then you might want to get action figures to go in it. And you might want to get more things that adults like maybe if you have it in a bar bowling alley, you put beer cans in it and you have the bar, give the person a free beer. If they win a beer can, then you pay them back. Stuff like that. Depending on the location, you can optimize your machine to make a lot more money rather than just have a bunch of 8-year-olds play it for plushies. Once you have it on location, keep in mind that for the first month, it probably won't make that much money. This is because it's just on location. People probably don't really know that it exists yet, but after that first month or two, people are going to become accustomed to it and you'll have repeat buyers playing it all the time. Personally, my first machine, I set it up and it made $164 in the first month and a half. But in the second month, right now, I'm about 10 days into the second month and it's at about $70 to $80. So that's about 40% better. Keep in mind that with most of these redemption machines, including claw machines, you usually have to pay a commission to the owner. This is because these claw machines are not necessary for the business, they're just something cool to have there. So a typical percentage that you want to go for is anywhere from 20% all the way up to 40%. I would not go above 40% unless you have more than one machine in there. If you have 3 machines, like a coin pusher, a claw machine, and an arcade machine, I'd go up to around 50 to 60% at most, but keep in mind that you're the one maintaining these things. They're just letting you go in there. Well, anyways, once you have it in the location, go in to check once per month, or you could even go in once every 2 months and collect your money and pay your commission to the owner. Congratulations, you're now making passive income.